The Golden Orb Weaver genus Nephala is a large and striking spider, well known for the golden-colored silk it produces in its webs. Here's a description. Size: females are much larger than males, often reaching 4 to 5 centimeters in body length, with long legs that can span up to 12 centimeters or more. Males are usually small and less noticeable. Appearance: females typically have elongated bodies with black, brown, or yellow markings. Their legs are long, slender, and often banded or with tufts of hair near the joints. Web: they spin huge, strong, and durable orb-shaped webs that shimmer with a golden hue, especially in sunlight. These webs can reach up to 1.5 meters in diameter and are built to catch flying insects. Habitat: found in warm, humid regions around the world, including Africa, Asia, Australia, and the Americas. They prefer open, sunny areas near trees, bushes, or tall grasses. Behavior: the female typically sits in the center of the web, waiting for prey. Males are much smaller and usually stay near the edges of the female's web. Diet: they feed mainly on flying insects such as flies, moths, bees, and sometimes even small birds or bats if they get entangled. Venom: their bite is not dangerous to humans, though it may cause mild pain, redness, or swelling. Golden Orb Weaver spider motherhood primarily revolves around reproduction and egg sac protection, with limited direct maternal care after the spiderlings hatch. Here's how it generally unfolds. Mating and egg-laying. After mating, which can be a perilous endeavor for the much smaller male, the female constructs an egg sac, typically a single one, using her distinctive golden silk. This sac can contain hundreds of eggs, sometimes around 380, and is often hidden in a secure location away from the main web, such as in curled leaves or amongst twigs, and may even be camouflaged with debris. Egg sac protection. The female's primary maternal care involves safeguarding this egg sac. She carefully places and disguises it to protect the developing eggs from predators and environmental elements. Spiderling emergence and dispersal. After a period of incubation within the egg sac, the spiderlings hatch. They typically remain within or near the egg sac for a few days after hatching before dispersing to build their own webs and become independent. Limited post-hatching care. While the female provides initial protection for her offspring within the egg sac, there is generally no direct parental care or interaction once the spiderlings emerge and disperse. In some cases, the female spider may even die shortly after laying the eggs, especially towards the end of her lifespan, which is typically about 1 year. To learn more, subscribe to our channel and click on the notification icon to see more of our videos.